Hi, I'm Fumiko Takatsu, a founder and the creator of the Face Yoga Method. I want to ask you, are you confident that you are cleaning or washing your face the right way? To tell the truth, most people do not know how to wash or clean their face. None of your anti-aging skincare products or serum will not work without cleaning your face first. Yes, you need to clean your face first before you put any skincare products on. In this video, I want to show you a very simple 60-second skincare routine and change the way your skincare products work. This is going to be your new skincare routine for clean skin. I found out about a year ago, I need to clean my face the right way. Yes, I was washing my face every single day. But I found out unless my face is entirely clean, the rest of the products I put on it will just sit there. After washing my face in this way, wow! I saw the result that I had not seen in my own skin. And those are all the proof that I needed. So, what is a secret? Very simple. Washing your face for a minute. Yes, 60 seconds. I know everybody has 60 seconds, right? And I would call it 60 seconds face washing rule. So before I talk more about this, I want you to pretend you're washing your face now. Ready? Ta-da-da. How do you do it? Many of us, including myself, probably start washing our forehead or cheeks, right? The big parts of the face. Then finish washing the nose, chin, and area between the nose and upper lip, just like so fast. Am I right? This is how I used to wash my face for so many years. And I thought I was doing right. And a year ago, I learned from the person who formulates a skincare line that we need to spend more time washing the areas where we have larger pores, such as nose, chin, and the area between upper lip and nose. Do you wash this part? Probably not. And these are the areas that tend to be ignored by many of us. This is how you want to wash your face. First, wash your hands with soap and water. Then pre-wash your face with lukewarm water. Don't use hot water because it dries your skin. Okay? So I pre-wash my face maybe 5 to 10 splashes. Second, do the skin-to-skin method using your own fingers. By using your fingers, you can actually feel your skin and then understand your condition, skin condition. To get clean skin, use a good cleanser and start washing your face from the nose, chin, and the space between your nose and upper lip. Yes, those small areas. And you may feel some clogged pores around the sides of your nose or chin area or right here, this space. Then move to the larger areas such as forehead and cheeks. If you wear eye makeup, do not forget to wash your eye area and go gentle around your eyes since the skin around your eyes is very delicate. And if you wear heavy eye makeup, remove it before you wash your face. And when you wash your face, never use hot water on your face. I know it feels so good. I love hot water to drink, but not on my face. Hot water can dry your face when you use to wash your face. I know it feels good when you use device or even washcloths when you wash your face, but they are creating tiny tears on your skin surface. You don't want to do that. Just use your fingers. You have fingers and will make your skin feel so good. The next step I'm going to share with you is a favorite for our face yogis. You are going to love it. It changed my skin condition. But before I share this step that you do not want to miss in your skincare routine. I want to hear from you. What is the best part of your skincare routine? Do you have a special technique you can share with us? And be sure to subscribe to this channel so you can learn all of the face yoga method. Okay, here is your new favorite part of your skincare routine. It is 100 times face brush. This literally changed my skin condition dramatically. What you do is brush your face with lukewarm water about 80 times, then finish with cold water about 20 times. It washes cleanser residue and cleans your pores and it brightens your complexion. You are going to love it and your skin is gonna thank you. Then I use toner and prepare my skin for the next step. Moisturizing. I highly recommend using the same product line. Why? I know you want to use, this one from this company, this one from this company. No. Molecular weight of product in the line work together for maximum benefits. So think about mixing the product with different sizes of moleculars. Small one and a big one. And if you put a product with a big molecular size, then use another product with smaller molecular size, what happened? No, they do not complement each other and you're wasting the products. Face Yoga Method Shop has a concentrated product line. Cleanser, toner, moisturizer with the same molecular weights. They are amazing. I use them every single day and all the Face Yoga Method team members use them too. If you want to try them, click the link below to get a discount code for our shop.